Hi there, this is my review of the Simrex X300C drone. It comes in this nice sturdy box and allegedly is available in 5 different colours. As you can see, it's quite small if you compare it to the size of my finger. It comes with a spare set of propellers, the main set of propellers you fit on, and these propeller guards. It normally folds up, but when you've got the propeller guards on, you can't really fold it up anymore. It comes with a USB charging lead. It takes about an hour to charge the drone and about 20 minutes to charge the controller. And you can see the charging hole on the battery just there. The battery is a 1/2 amp hour lithium. And when the battery is on charge, a light will come on the USB plug, and it will go off when the charging is complete. The instructions aren't too bad. They give you a rough overview of what different things do. Don't really give you much explanation of what things mean though. So here's the controller. As you see, it's got quite a few controls on it. On the right hand side, we've got this slider which goes up, down, left and right. That controls the drone going forwards, backwards and side to side. The buttons around the outside are to compensate for drift when it's hovering. So if it drifts off to the right, you press the left hand button to reset that. The left hand slider makes the drone go up, down, rotate anti-clockwise and rotate clockwise. Then the buttons around the outside do different things. The up button, if you press it briefly, will start the rotors off or stop them. If you press it continuously for a little while, it goes into auto ascend mode, which I haven't tried. I just ascend with that. The down button, if you press it briefly, it will bring the drone down and land it. If you press it for a long time, it will do an emergency stop and the drone will fall out of the sky. The left hand button toggles through 3 different speeds, 1, 2 and 3, and the drone will do 1, 2 or 3 beeps to tell you what speed it's on. If you long press it, it calibrates the gyroscopes. The right hand button changes the control to what's called Headless Mode, which means that it will always fly in the same direction relative to you when you do the controls on the right hand side. Otherwise, if Headless Mode's off, it will always control in the direction relative to the drone, which can be confusing if it's turned round in the air. If you long press this, it'll bring the drone back to you if you've been flying in Headless Mode. This button turns the gravity sensor on in the controller. That means instead of, or as well as using the right hand slider, you can just tilt the handset to make it fly in different directions, which is quite good. Easier to control that way. And this button here is a 3D flip for doing like a special stunt maneuver without having any skill. You press that and then press the direction you want it to flip in. Then there's an on-off button on the bottom. The right hand indicator there is just a power indicator. The left hand indicator flashes when it's in gravity mode. There's also a clip here for holding a mobile phone. And there's an app you can download onto your Android phone, which will replicate the controller using your phone, and also it will allow you to receive or take still photos or video from the drone's camera. I haven't had much luck with the app. It was making my phone crash and disconnecting from the drone after about 20 seconds, so I've uninstalled it, so I won't be covering that in this video. So we'll just go through our pre-flight procedures now. We'll turn the drone on by pressing the button. Until the blue light stays on and the red light's flashing. We then turn the controller on using the switch on the bottom. That means that it's connected and you'll see the red light's gone solid. The left hand button, the speed button, so I can cycle through the different speed modes, speed 2, speed 3, speed 1. If I long press the same button, I calibrate it. And the red lights there will flash until it's calibrated. I can turn headless mode on by pressing that button, and then the red light flashes on there to indicate it's in headless mode. Then I press the up button to start the rotors, and then we'll go for a little fly around the room.